Chefs in the Hood back at you. You know, we doing a simple recipe right now. It's summertime, so we figured we would bring you pasta salad. You know, with pasta salad, you can do whatever you want. But right now, our base is going to be the pasta and the veggies. I had already cooked some campanelli pasta already here. Had it sitting and draining. I had already blanched some broccoli and some green beans. I blanched this. I know usually I show you guys everything that I do when we're doing it. Anyway, that's going in this pasta salad. Right? We got our green beans. Chefs in the Hood. That's how we get down. Carrots. Right? Then we're going to go ahead and add our black olives and our green olives. Just bear with me. Here we go. Sun-dried tomatoes. And this also has to sit 6 hours, 24 hours, whatever. The longer it sits, the better it will be. And you could use any pasta you want. I usually use bow ties or whatever, but whatever you want to use, you can use it. I got some freshly chopped garlic, some red onion, 2 bell peppers, a little celery. Then we're going to go ahead and add our herbs. We got some thyme, some tarragon, some marjoram, and we're going to mix this up. And we're going to go ahead and add some basil to it as well. And then we're going to whip up our vinaigrette. We're going to do a little salt. And we're going to do some pepper. You know how I am with my freshly cracked black pepper. Gotta do it. You know, you can use white pepper, you can use pink pepper, whatever you want. Pink Himalayan salt, all that. They got it out there on the market. So we're going to mix that together. And then we're going to get our vinaigrette ready. And then what we're going to do is put that in the refrigerator and let it get cold 6 hours or more. That's a lot. It's a lot of pasta salad. And then with the pasta salad, it's so versatile. You can add chicken to it. You can add your grilled salmon or whatever have you. You do whatever it is that makes you happy. You know what I'm saying? Happy, happy, joy, joy, whatever, whatever. Alright? Alright. Now we're going to make our little vinaigrette real quick. Apple cider vinegar. Mustard. This is a spicy mustard that I'm adding. It's about a tablespoon of mustard, maybe. Get that in there. We're going to get this agave in there. Just a little bit. And this is 3/4 cup of olive oil. Usually when you're using a whisk, you know what I'm saying, you have to whisk your olive oil and do it slow. Drizzle it in slowly. But we're going to shake it. I got a shaker bottle here. That's what that is. So we're going to shake that up and it's going to mix up very well. You see what I'm saying? I couldn't even find the top to my little shaker bottle. But we told you this is Chefs in the Hood. You see this? Plastic wrap. That's how you do it. Put it tightly over my bottle because I can't find my top. I told y'all before I only had one knife, like Nas, with the one mic thing. No top for my bottle. But it's tight. And I gets busy. See that? That looks beautiful. I'm not spilling anything. I don't need a top. Now we're going to add that to our pasta salad. We already got our herbs in there. And we just going to drizzle that on. A little at a time. Mix it up with our campanelli and broccoli and red onion. Believe me, carrot is going to be delicious. And like I said, you can do anything that you want to do with this pasta salad. Very versatile. All right. Now we got that mixed up good. I don't know. Look at that. Y'all tell me what y'all think. You feel me? Pasta salad, baby. Chefs in the Hood style. We gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate. And then we gonna come back to it. We gonna taste it. It should be all good. And if we feel like we wanna add some chicken to it or something to it, salmon, like I said, grilled salmon, whatever have you, we can add it to it later. And you can actually heat this up. And you can also preserve it and put it in the freezer and have it for another time.